Hi folks, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Work and Play 25 CB. Come on in, I'm going to show you this toy hauler. So you come on in, this has a nice open garage. You got side-by-side dinette. They also can flip over and convert into 2 beds. And then you have another one that converts into a bed. Come over here, we got a nice 2-door Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Got storage above. Full extension drawers. Got a 2-burner stove with the microwave. Another extension drawer. You got a dual stainless steel sink. Place for plates, cups. And then you got a little more storage under here for paper towels. Got a nice little corner bed with storage above the bed. A little headboard up there. Power outlet in the back, and then you have a little more storage there. When you walk into the bathroom, got a nice large shower. Come on out and I'm going to show you the outside. Can't forget this right here. We got a little more storage. Pantry. If you look up above, we got a nice large awning with LED lighting above it. Outside speakers. Got a power tongue jack, propane tanks right here, and then you got 2 batteries. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 Work and Play 25 corner bed, please give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My phone number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for coming in and looking.